All right, so let's talk about gold because everybody likes trading gold, and it's really popular right now. Past year and a half, 2 years, I've made more money trading gold than I've made trading any other instrument right now. So a lot of people that we help education-wise was coming to us and going, I'm losing money trading index futures, and I don't understand why. And I've only got enough money to trade 1 to 3 contracts. Can you help me? And I was like, well, first, quit trading indexes. Trade something else, right? I know it sounds super easy, but the indexes are just hard to trade. Trade gold, trade ags, trade bonds, trade currency futures. So I started testing some setups, and the setups that I found ended up making a lot of money with very little contracts risk. All right, and I was using anywhere from 1 to 3 contracts, and it started netting me anywhere from $300 to $1,200 a day trading these. All right, so some of these work, and some of these go in and out of favor. I'm going to teach them to you, and you can apply them to your trading, and then I'll show you some trades that I'm doing right now on an intraday basis and on a swing basis, and then I'll show you that you really don't need to have a huge account in order to make some substantial money in particular instruments. All right. So first thing, who in here has traded gold before? So, all right. Who has not traded gold before? You guys do know it's going up, right? How many people trade futures in here? How many people want to learn how to trade futures in here? Okay. All right. So futures are not that scary. When I first started trading them, I thought somebody was going to deliver 1,000 bushels of corn on my driveway, right? I don't know why when you start thinking like a future, like a commodity, like you're like, oh, that's a future. That's like corn, soybean, wheat. And you think you're physically going to take delivery of 5,000 bushels of corn. It won't happen. They won't let you do it. Your broker will close you out of that so quick because they have to fill out 15 different pieces of paper. At rollover, you're going to be out of it whether you want to or not. They're just going to be like, oh, Jim, you're out. See ya. They'll just roll you out of it. So don't worry about any of that stuff. They are high leveraged. Like on one futures contract, you'll be controlling about $85,000 worth of stuff. Okay? So on a Dow contract, you could potentially be controlling about $85,000 worth of stuff for $500 on one contract. So if it goes up, you make $10. If the Dow goes from 10,000 to 10,001, you made $10. If it goes up from 10,000 to 10,002, you made $20. All right? So in gold, it works pretty close to the same thing. Gold, it almost trades 24 hours a day. It opens up at 6 p.m. and closes at 5:15. So it's only closed for about 45 minutes. So your odds of getting hurt in gold, fairly low as long as you have a stop in there, okay? It's not like it's going to gap open 90 points tomorrow morning and you're going to get annihilated on, okay? All right, so every point in gold on the big contract, which is what I trade, the GC on COMEX, write that down, the big contract, GC, is the future symbol you want to watch. And right now, the current contract month you want is GC Z10 or Z0. Depends on what futures software you're using. I got 5 minutes to explain how to trade gold. That's great. All right, so every tick is worth $10. All right, it trades in 10-cent increments. So here are some of let me show you. The rubber band trade, remember the rubber band trade we went over earlier? That works on a 15-minute time frame of gold. And then let's go through, I'm going to teach you 2 simple setups. First, you remember the setup what we talked about where you're going to buy the S&P when it makes a new high and you're going to sell it when it makes a new low? This is all you need to know to trade gold and make money right now. If gold is up $3, you're going long gold. You're going to buy at the high, at a new high tick. You're going to risk 3 points intraday, and you're going to have a target of 10 points, okay? On an overnight trade, if gold is up more than 3 points, you're going long, okay? You're going long. You're going to risk 6 points to make 20, all right? I know it sounds super stupid easy, but write it down. If gold's up more than 3 points, it's usually trending. Gold is not like the indexes. It's not going to run over here and come back and screw you and come and get you. Gold's going to run, and then it's going to run some more, and then it's going to pause. And then it's going to run again. And then it's going to keep on running, and it's going to keep on running. So if gold is up 3, we go long. If gold is down 3, we go short. All right? 3-point stop, 10-point target. If it's overnight, 6-point stop, 20-point target. All right? I only have 5 minutes, and the other gold trade that I wanted to show you requires indicators, and I don't think it's fair to show you indicators that you may or may not have. But there's another trade setup that I do, which is